AI friend today. Never thought to check what it might say. Trained on data from who knows where. But hey, at least it keeps them off my hair. Oh, the EdTech Blues got me scratching my head and paying dues. We're all clicking accept while our data gets swept into algorithms we can't choose. GPT is teaching math. Nobody knows if it's the right path. Machine learning in the classroom scene. But what exactly does that even mean? Privacy policies 10 miles long. Read it once, but something feels wrong. Guardrail safety, who can tell? As long as the grades look mighty swell. Maybe we should stop and think before we push them to the digital brink. Guardrail safety, who can tell? As long as the grades look mighty swell. Oh, the EdTech Blues. Time to wake up from our snooze. Let's start asking why before we digitize every lesson that they use.